Hello everyone, today we are writing a JavaScript program to stop an interval typer. I have already written HTML code. Now in script tag, write down JavaScript code. So first we create a function create. Console.log, write down the message. To set the interval, we are using setInterval function. So constant interval id equal to setInterval. This function will take two arguments. The first one is function name, to pass the first argument, and the second one is time interval. So I am passing 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. So after every 1 second, it will execute the function and print hello microcode library. To stop this interval, we are using clearInterval function. Set timeout function clear interval and pass the interval id in this, and then console.log, write down the message you want to display. Interval stopped after 5 seconds. Here we pass the time interval. 5000 milliseconds means 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, it will stop the execution of the function. Now go to the browser, refresh the page. So countdown start. After 5 seconds, interval stopped after 5 seconds. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel Microcode Library and hit the bell icon to get updates.